To Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are open a zip file but you are facing this error. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So hit on the subscribe button so when we upload new video you can get notification. And also if this video did not work for you, hit on the subscribe button. I'm going to upload the next. I made like 3 different tutorial about this particular issue. So hit on the subscribe button so when I upload that new video you can get notification and so you can fix your problem, because I'm going to upload that video within the week. So hit on the subscribe button so when I upload it you can get notification. You can see I'm still face the same error with my zip file that I wanted to use. Okay, so let's start the process. It's 2 process, so watch the full video so you can face it. This is the number 1 method. This method number 1, click on the Windows, click on the Windows icon, or you can click it on the keyboard. After click on the Windows, click on the settings icon. After click on the settings icon, it's going to give you this page. After it give you this page, scroll it down and click on the update and security. Click on update and security. After click on the update and the security, it's going to give you another page again. This page we are going to click on Windows security. Click on Windows security. After click on the Windows security, it's going to give you this page, and click on virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection. After click on there, it's going to give you another page again, and scroll it down. After scroll it down, you will see here, and click on manage settings. Click on the manage settings. After click on the manage settings, it's going to give you this page. Now come here and click on real-time protection to deactivate your antivirus. After use the program or the what is in your file, after use it, you can on your antivirus again. Sometimes because of your antivirus saw this file as a virus, that's why you don't want it try to protect your PC for you, so it's not catch virus. That's why it is not open. So after open, let's try see if this one going to be open or not. If it is not open, I'm going to show you the second method. If it works too, I'm going to show you the second method. This is the first method. Let's go to the second method. Okay, let's go to the second method. And also don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so when we upload new video we can get notification. And we are going to upload method 1, method 2. Click on the Windows icon. This one too, you need to click on the Windows icon. After click on the Windows icon, first let's do this first. Try to create go to your drivers. After open it, now this is the method 2. Open your local disk D. Open your local disk D. After open your local disk D, create new folder. Create new folder there and name it how you can recognize it. You can use any name to name it so you can recognize the file. So create a folder over there on the local disk D. Or if you don't have any local disk D, just create a folder and bring your file, your file that you wanted to open. Bring the both to in the file. Copy and paste them over there. After copy and paste them over there, now click on the Windows icon again. After click on the Windows icon, click on settings. After click on settings, click on the settings, click on update and security. After click on the update and security, click on the Windows security. After click on the Windows security, come to virus and threat protection again. After go there, click after that page open, click on manage settings again. Manage settings. After click on the manage settings, scroll it down. After click on the manage settings, scroll it down. After scroll it down, you will see exclusion, and click on add or remove exclusion. Add or remove exclusion. After scrolling down, you will see exclusion. After see exclusion, click on add or remove exclusion. Click on add or remove exclusion. After that, click on yes, and it will give you this page. Now click on add exclusion. Click on add exclusion and select folder. After select folder, select that folder that you have created. Select that folder that you have created and put the file over there. Select that folder. After select that folder, just click on selected and you are ready to go, and open your file again. But if still is not open, hit on the subscribe button. In my next video, I'm going to bring you the method 2. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.